Here is the best kept secret about cleaning floors from a professional cleaner. I hate mopping buckets. I don't want to lug around a big old mop of water that then becomes dirty, that I'm then dumping out, and I'm just splashing dirty water on a floor. I use mop pads. I have a small little bucket for a large space filled with clean water and floor solution, and then I dip my clean mop pad into it, spray down any extra flooring solution if I need it, and then when that mop pad gets dirty, I put it in the wet bag and I take it home and I wash it. And then I put down a new clean mop pad, soak it in the water solution, wring it out, put it down on the ground, and keep on mopping. I could switch out 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, however many mop pads I need for the amount of space. I just dunk it into the clean solution. It's a clean mop pad. I'm not dumping a mop pad in dirty water and then splashing dirty water back on the floor. And I'm not dumping a dirty mop pad in clean water and then contaminating the clean water with a dirty mop pad. Do you know what I mean? It's just so easy to just get a new mop pad, put it down, spray as you go if you need it, and then just wash the mop pads. And the best part about this mop is that I can unscrew the mop head and then put a high reach duster on it that reaches over 7 feet. And then I can get cobwebs that are up in the ceiling. I mean, talk about convenience. That is a great mopping tip.